first.
All right, Millie's on the prowl. Eric is on the way over with his new 135. We do a little work on this today.
And 2 on the cowl filters. The remaining bolts I do have. Let's pop this off. This is the cabin filter. So this is where it sits, and then we'll be able to unclip the actual filter out of the plastic housing. So it's kind of awkward to do with 2 hands. So you just kind of peel this plastic part back. There's this little rubber piece. Peel it back and then lift it out. So now if your cabin filter is dirty or whatever, that's how you replace it.
Yeah, put a link to one in the description below.
Alright, so when you get this in, to installing the new one, just got to make sure these little corners over here stay on top and sit on top of this little ledge. And so you feed these in first under that lip. Make sure that's sitting on top, like that. And then this one, slide into place, and then click it back in. Now, a cowl. Alright, so we'll just start by running all these 8mm.
All right, that's it. It's all installed and buttoned up. I hope you liked this and it was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we'll see you next time.